Hello everyone out there in the MIH world. Hey, this is Eddie York over here at Sherwood Place Apartments, and I just want to give you an update on what we did here. We had this problem with the water coming off here and flooding one of our apartments. So we called a company out called American Structure, and they put in this retaining wall, the existing, connecting onto our existing retaining wall, and they come on around to the edge of the building so that won't happen. Another thing we did, we went ahead and put sod down. As you can see this, it kind of helps the integrity of the ground as well and the runoff. You come down here and look, and there's even some sod. You see how it comes around the building here. Really neat what American Structure did. We had to do this to keep this particular apartment from flooding. As you can see, we got a French drain right here that goes on around the property. So, you know, one thing about the MIH world, you got to keep the tenants happy. Got to keep those numbers coming in every month, and sometimes it takes on a project like this. So this is Eddie York signing off from you. We'll see you soon, and remember, you get the chance, buddy, you make it happen. See you soon.